Here at Jewellery Clinic, South Surrey, we have proudly respected and represented the family jewelry tradition and its quality standards since 2008. We are an established family business with a proper address you are welcome to visit anytime, and with people you can easily talk to. As a direct-to-the-public jewelry repair workshop in South Surrey, we do jewelry repairs, custom jewelry designs such as engagement rings, ring resizing, gold chains, bracelets, pendants, earrings, and so on. We also buy gold and buy silver, and also buy diamonds. We are North and South Surrey, and Kelowna's best goldsmiths for many years now. We eliminate the middleman so you don't have to visit a local jewelry store and have them ship it out to us. Rather, you can just come here directly and save a lot of money dealing directly with us instead. You won't believe the savings by dealing direct. We invite you to take the time to try our company and see for yourself how high our standards are, how excellent our craftsmanship is, and why our longevity persists. Visit us today for all of your jewelry repairs at jewelleryclinic.com.